What's up guys, today we're going to review this Gelblaster made by Jingming Sub Company. I do not know the name, but I can assure you that this is a really cool Gelblaster. Let's open it up. So here we have the Glock X1 made by Jingming Sub Company, and it says that it has recoil. The first thing we see is a this thing. Put that aside. Oh my god. Oh yeah, gel balls. I have too much of them. A battery, charger, some stickers, I guess. Put that here. Well, your average eye protection, which is trash. The Glock itself, it's pretty light. Can't really feel much weight to it. Put that here. And an instruction manual on how to operate this. Alright then. So these are all the things from the box. Now let's look at this. So you take it out of the really nice plastic wrap. The first thing I see is this big torch slash laser thing that I do not find really pretty. So yeah, let's... Oh, can't take this off. Oh, it seems like this is the battery compartment. So you put your battery in here. You put the battery in here. Oh my god. And you can shoot. Oh my god. That, ladies and gentlemen, doesn't sound really good. I'm not sure what this... I'm guessing that's a switch, because this would not have single on it. Yep, that's a switch. Alright, let's take a look at the magazine. You press this thing right here, which is the mag release, and it's frankly really small. It doesn't pop out, you have to pull it out. This is what the magazine looks like. You put the gels here in this slot here, and the gels will come up with these electric parts. There's a motor inside. Yeah. Just heard some shake, but okay. Yeah. My first thoughts about this gun is, well, maybe it's good. Maybe it shoots really far. Maybe it's, powerful. Yeah. But when I look at it, I don't really think too much. It's just kind of trash. And as you can see right here, the the slide catch is fake. It's just there. This one's fake. This is just a switch. For some reason, there's another slide catch here. Interesting. What's this sound like? All right then, let's take a look at this little packet. Just a plastic bag. You got your average Jingming stickers with precision laser stuff on it for some reason. A 7.4 volt charger, USB charger. Not sure if that is actually. I'm not sure. Probably is. Maybe a 6 volt. Who knows? A plastic cover for what I'm guessing is this. I guess it goes like this. You gotta put the battery in and then you close it up. I don't know how to do it. A screw. Please explain why. And a tiny screwdriver. So, not sure what to say. reviewed everything. This blaster is, well, it doesn't look really nice. It's big. It says 45 automatic caliber. And yeah, let's pop the battery in and check it out. All right, to make the blaster work, you have to connect these two with these two. Okay, so let's try doing that. Oh god, it's not wanting to go on. I'm not even sure how to put this on. It's just doesn't want to go on. Oh, there we go. That's off, and that's off. Now you can see it's really bulky. I'm not sure if this is gonna fit into any holster, except for the those woven ones. So not perfect for Glock. I'm not even sure what this is. So I got some gel balls here, and I'm going to load this magazine up so we can see how does it even shoot. Oh god. Well, it doesn't actually contain much. It's 50 to 100, I guess. Now there's no mag prime on this like the SKD models. So yeah, let's test this out. Now I loaded one magazine fully, and we're going to see. Oh god, I can't even figure out how to put the magazine for it. Yeah, it's okay. Now it goes in. We can shoot. Now, when I was testing this out, I figured out that you can just do this. You can pull back the slide and you can just shoot without even moving the slide. Alright, that's it. This magazine is pretty small. You can't really put much gels inside. Yep. So yes, the results weren't as bad as I thought. You can take this down to a game, but I advise actually bringing another blaster. Oh, that fell out. And yeah. Now it doesn't feel really good. Not like the SKD Glock or the SKD Beretta. Doesn't go back. But I still think it's a pretty good blaster to take down to a game. Or you can have the crazy idea of buying the X2, which is the X1 but with the drum mag, not a single only magazine. This was the HaoWei Glock X1, which is Jingming's sub company. Yeah, it's overall I think it's fine if you want to take this down to a game as a main weapon. Just go around the CQB, but I don't recommend this for being a secondary, because well, it's not gonna save you. It's a bit too trash to be a secondary. I recommend using the SKD Glock 18 or the SKD Beretta for your secondary if you are tight on a budget. I used my SKD for about 2 years and it worked no problem. You can actually see in the video where I play 1v1 against my friend in the abandoned factory, I used the SKD running around. It is a pretty good gun. But overall, this blaster, it's pretty good. Yeah, this does not use the SM head. This uses a 7.4 charging head. So it charges using this, and it gives out the power using this. So yeah. Not sure why they gave me so much crappy gels. And they also give you this cool thing to shoot at. Yeah, it leaves a mark. What did I do?